Hi, this is Brett Knowles from PM Squared Consulting. This is a quick overview of how you should be writing your objectives and key results. This is a collection of cheats that we've learned over the last 4,000 organizations, and it's important to note that it's all about keeping it simple. So let's use a simple example that we can all relate to, or hopefully we can all relate to. What are the Batman's OKRs? So an objective would be instill fear in Gotham's criminals. And again, it's straightforward. We have a verb and an outcome. That's it. That's all the objective is. And what we've learned is that if you have the word and or commas or bullet points and lists and stuff, what you're really doing is you're trying to combine two or three objectives into one. So those ands and lists end up describing each of many different sub-objectives. Try to find a word that summarizes all of them, because if you don't, not only does that list keep growing longer and longer and longer, but you really confuse the reader. They don't know what it is you're specifically really trying to achieve, and is cost more important than quality, more important than time, etc. Secondly, those details that you have in the additional wording, they're going to get picked up in the definition that you write for each objective, and ultimately once it has key results. In other words, once this is done, I can see instill fear of Gotham criminals, then I can see what's the definition, what are the key results, and I have a more holistic understanding. And then finally, sometimes people put the target in the objective name. And the problem is, if you do put that in, then what you're really doing is saying that one particular key result is more important than the others. So if it's something like dominate our markets as measured by market share, then number of new customers, number of new products, all the other key results become instantly unimportant. So that's the tricks around the objective. The key result, so in this example, the number of most wanted criminals brought into custody, and the Q1 target is 5. Again, keep it simple. Always start off with a unit of measure symbol. $, percentage, etc. That forces you to make sure that the objective, the key result you name is clear. So now it's absolutely certain what it is I'm going to measure. Then, of course, we want to know what's the target and the date that you're going to achieve that in. So in this case, the Q1 target is 5, and you could list off multiple quarter targets. So again, keep it simple. That's all you need to describe your key results. And if you follow this, you'll always get accurate key results. And then lastly, you've got projects, initiatives. I call these run the business key results and change the business. So these initiatives or projects, again, keep it simple. Just what is the project name? And what milestone are we going to achieve each quarter? And that's all there is to it. In other words, OKRs are built with that simple model, and basically what we're doing is we're saying we agree that if we achieve this objective, if these things are accomplished. So it's built with just 3 building blocks: objective, which is verb and outcome; key result, unit measure, name, target, date; and projects, change the business key results, project name, quarter, milestone. And like Lego blocks, you can build any structure you want with these 3 simple elements.